Do you want to create images that help you sell more on Amazon? Well, today I've teamed up with PickFu and we are going to do just that. I'm going to break down an A/B test for you on their platform to show you how easy it is to get feedback and change your images in less than 30 minutes. So why is this important? Because on Amazon, the first impression is your main image. It is your first and only chance to get people into your listing. So are they going to click on your listing or your competitors? We'll show you how to make sure that it's you. Check it out.
Okay, so here I am inside my PickFu poll, and you can see these are the 3 images that I uploaded to PickFu. I want to know which one is the winner, which one would people choose, which one stands out. I also want to take this feedback and iterate on our images and make them even better. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll take the winner and I will take the feedback and I'll go ahead and make 2 more variations and I'll run another PickFu poll. But in this case, we actually have 3 images. Normally we only have 2. Normally I choose a 50 respondents on my audience. And for this product, because it's a female-oriented product, a candle, for the most part it's females that buy candles, I chose the female audience and I chose 100 respondents because we have 3 images. So not something I normally do, but I decided, what the heck, let's test all 3 of these images since my team came up with some great images for this client. Here's what we have so far. We have 82 respondents and 66% have chosen option C, 12% have chosen option B, and 22% have chosen option A. And here's what they're saying. So option A is what I consider the showstopper. This is something that nobody else is doing on Amazon, so it's really going to grab attention. Option A is something very simple but close up, and option C is giving a sense of the scents that are going with this candle. So option A, people are saying that they like that it's artistic. B was very boring. They like that the striking, colorful imagery. They like it because it's colorful and interesting. So this is resonating with a smaller percentage of the audience who happens to love the artistic nature of this. And they are saying that option B is boring. Option B respondents actually love this image because it's clean and simple. They're saying that it makes the product actually look more professional and expensive. So I love that. So I do think that this image is a little plain Jane. And there are some improvements we can make in terms of maybe using this as a secondary photo with some text and maybe a border around it and really draw the eye in to actually look at more product details. So we'll probably go ahead and make that iteration on a separate video. And you can see how I'm not going to let any of these images go to waste. I'm going to take all of this feedback, I'm going to iterate on it, and I'm going to use them in our product listing in a very unique way. So stay tuned to my future videos so you guys can see how I'm going to take this PickFu feedback. But if we look at option C, what people are saying is it's the best image of the candle and what it smells like, which is very important to people who are shopping for candles. They're saying that they don't really have to read it. They know right away what the smells are. Saying that B is way less attention grabbing. A has too much going on. Most of the people in option C were saying that option A was just terrible. Who was gonna have to clean up that mess? It looks like a cantaloupe or a mango. Like, what's going on in that photo? So that is great feedback, but it also does tell us that it's striking a chord with people, right? So it's not necessarily a bad thing. We might be able to reuse this, and like I said, this might be the thing that stops people from scrolling. So we might wanna test this in advertising. Option A. Option B, people are just saying it's overall the clear winner, and we can see all of this great feedback. So this person actually went in super depth saying that this image covers everything in regards to what you are purchasing, including the scent and the container it will arrive in. I love that it answers all your questions in one picture. So again, great feedback that we're able to take as the clear winner. This image will likely be our main image for Amazon. We'll probably make some tweaks to it so that it shows closer up because people did like that about this image B. And you can see how I'm already starting to iterate and use this feedback. What I'll probably do is I will take an image and I'll put it in a search results from Amazon and I'll test it again inside of PickFu to see which search result would people click on, because that's the other big consideration, right? We want to make sure that our listing is the one that people click on. So stay tuned for that video. I will be releasing that soon with PickFu. Thanks for watching.
So you can see the possibilities are endless on how you can improve your images and get more sales with Amazon. So I'm gonna be sharing some more videos with you soon on how to do just that. So stay tuned.